y equal to 2 power x, 3 power 2x, 5 power minus x, 7 power minus x. Then find dy by dx. See, y equal to 2 power x, 3 power 2x, 5 power x, minus power becomes to plus power in the denominator. So finally 2 into 3 square by 5 into 7 whole power x whole power x whole power x. So this is in the form of a derivative of a power x. A power x into log a. We apply that formula. This is a constant. So a power x. So dy by dx equal to a power x 2 into 3 square by 5 into 7 whole power x. A power x into log a 2 into 3 square by 5 into 7. So this is the dy by dx. So finally 2 power x, 3 power 2x, 5 power x, 7 power x log 9 into 2 18 by 5 into 7 35 5 into 7 35. Second bit. F of x equal to log x base x, then f dash x at x equal to e. First calculate f dash x. After that one, substitute x equal to e. F dash. We know the formula, derivative of log x equal to 1 by x. That means base e log x base e. Formula is 1 by x. But given there is a variable x in the base. So first remove this base x. F of x equal to log of log x by log x. This x belongs to log x. We use the formula log a base b equal to log a by log b. We apply that formula. Next, calculate f dash x. This is in the form of u by v. U dash v minus v dash u by v square. U dash v minus v dash u by v square log x whole square u dash v minus v dash u by v square. So derivative of log function, let it be x. Log x, derivative of log x, 1 by x. Derivative of the second log, 1 by x. This log x is this one. Derivative of first log, 1 by log x. Derivative of the second log, 1 by x. This log x. Log x cancel. Minus. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Log of log x by log x whole square. So f dash x is over. Substitute x equal to e. F dash e. This is 1 by e minus 1 by e into log of log e by log e whole square by log e whole square. In the logarithm chapter, log e value always 1, log 1 value 0, log e 1, log 1 value e. So log e value 1, but log 1 value 0. 0 into something equal to 0. So 1 by e by 1 square, that equal to 1 by e. That is nothing but e power minus 1. E power minus 1. E power minus 1. Next.